Madam Joanna, gandahan mo. Yeah.
Introduce your properly.
Okay.
Ay, quiet.
Okay, guys.
Huwag na patay mali siya.
Let's introduce you, Joanna and EJ, no? Joanna, okay. Nung naghihirap kami ni Kiko.
Ay, may ganon! May ganon!
Hindi. Para naman naman ng lahat, no? Ay, para naman naman lahat. There was a time, naghihirap kami ni Kiko. Na year, 1999. 1999.
Ay,
1999, Kiko and me met, what, 1998. So, 1999, naubos yung pera ko sa stock market because of the Asian crisis. Parang tuloy kayo financially, no? So, actually, after that, nag-advertise ako sa buy and sell because I was the first one in the Philippines to have a CD recorder. Makinig kay DJ. All the radio stations went to me. Kasi gusto nila i-digitize yung mga DAT, mini disc, and yung mga plaka into CD. So kami yung unang meron ng CD recorder in the Philippines. It's Apple Macintosh, model 8500. It's worth $5,000 before. It's the top of the line ng Apple. So nilapitan kami lahat ng mga radio stations for them kasi nag-digitize na lahat. Wala na yung analog, pa-obsolete na, no? So anyway, so naghihirap na kami kasi natalo ako sa stock market. So anyway, so here comes Joanna na nag-offer sa akin ng
pirated.
Pirated, no?
Pirated!
Okay. Sige, sabihin ko na.
Una siya doon.
So, ano kasi
Ay, wow!
buy and sell?
Bongga!
So, sa buy and sell, nag-advertise kami na to digitize the music. So, ngayon, they came, si Joanna asked me na magpa-compile na personalized. That's what we do before. Personalized CD recording. Kasi wala nga nag-burn ng CD kami lang. Wala pong CD burner sa Philippines noong 2000. So, one album, one CD worth 90 minutes, we charge 500 pesos. Ganon kababa. Okay. So, Joanna came to me, yung pala, kaya siya nagpaparecord because bago niya mapirate yung music, kailangan niya ng recordable master copy. So yung master copy na CD-ROM, yun ipapadala niya sa China, papadala niya sa Taiwan to have a mass production at ibibenta sa Philippines. So
Nasa na
kami
may
yung
sala?
unang-una,
Nasa na may
nung
sala?
nakabili kayo ng mga
Ayun,
CD
may
pirate
sala.
noong year 2000, 2001, 2002, at 2005, kami yun. Yung mga Starbucks, yung mga, ano ba? Chorus Girls, Downwind, Power Trucks, Cruiser.
Diyos ko nalaglag siya. Cheers!
Kasi na cinematography.
Cameraman niya.
Lasing na!
Anyway, so yun. So Joanna was the first one to finance me to do the production. And doon kami nakabawi. Doon kami yumaman ulit. Na pinag-utang niya kami worth 1 million during that time. So I owe her a lot and I still remember that. And I go, kami na Kiko, we cannot forget her. Because siya yung sumalo sa amin. I was about to go back to the US during that time because ang pera lang namin 50,000.